In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a PDF file in full screen mode, enabling you to present PDF documents in presentation mode using Adobe Acrobat. This feature is incredibly useful for seamless presentations, allowing you to focus your audience's attention on the content of your document without distractions. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily set this up. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're working on a Windows or Mac computer, ensure you have the Acrobat Pro version, as it offers the full feature set we'll need for this task. Once Adobe Acrobat Pro is open, load your desired PDF by either double-clicking the file or using the Open option within the software to navigate to your document. Next, look towards the top left corner of your screen, where you'll find what we commonly refer to as the hamburger menu. It's the icon with three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This button is your gateway to various viewing options within Adobe Acrobat. Clicking this menu will produce a drop-down list of different features and settings. We're focusing on making your PDF as visually engaging as possible, so from this menu, we want to select the View option. After you click View, another array of options will be displayed. Here you'll find the full screen mode option. Selecting this will transform your PDF viewer to present your document, making it the sole focus on your screen, optimizing the viewing experience. The document is now front and center, free from toolbars and menus, ideal for presentations. This mode allows you to navigate through the document simply by clicking or using the arrow keys, providing a smooth and uninterrupted flow. For those who are fans of keyboard shortcuts and seek efficiency, Adobe makes this incredibly easy with a quick keystroke command. By pressing Ctrl and L simultaneously on your keyboard, or Command and L if you're using a Mac, you activate the full screen mode directly. This shortcut is a great time saver and allows for a smoother transition, especially useful during dynamic presentations or when you are switching between different formats and applications. With all these tools at your fingertips, remember to practice navigating through the presentation in full screen mode beforehand. Familiarizing yourself with these controls can help avert any technical hiccups during live presentations. And there you have it, you're now equipped to effectively present your PDFs in full screen mode using Adobe Acrobat Pro, bringing your documents to life in a clean, distraction-free manner. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.